I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met, jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone, but I choose you. Hop back in your car, top down. There's no stopping us, cause we own this town. Never knew I could have such fun. Never thinking you would be my number one. On my tongue, never thinking you would be my number one. Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Anyone, but I choose.
Wow, wait. Why haven't you subscribed yet? Please subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share them, and leave a comment below. Thank you. Really appreciate that. Chase them. Keto Header, how are you? How are you, Keto Header?
I'm fine, and you?
That's our cattle heading grill. That's what they do when they come back on holidays. Yes, so the aim is to try and involve them in the farming as much as possible. And these girls are doing a fantastic job. The other one is dealing with the bunnies right now. She's with the rabbits, feeding them. I wish I could have captured her, but yeah, we're a bit in the fields now. And this one is the oldest girl. Gender doesn't matter. It's just a matter of doing what you love doing. There we are, with the cattle heading girl. See that she's enjoying what she's doing while she's heading cattle, eh? Taking things along the way. Cattle header, what do you have in your hands?
Shakers.
What?
Shakers.
Shakers. Oh, okay. What are they for?
Shooting the goats.
Oh, that's good. How are you loving this job of heading cattle and goats? Do you like it or you don't like it?
I like it.
Why?
Nothing.
There's no reason to like it.
Uh-huh.
So which one is your favorite animal there?
Huh?
Which one is your favorite cow? Or, yeah, animal?
My namesake.
Oh, Patricia. I see. Okay. Maybe you like it because she has your name.
No, because it's very friendly.
Okay. Hmm. What about the goats?
They got
Hmm. You have a favorite among the goats?
meme the goat.
Oh, so which one is Meme?
Isn't that showing the well?
And which is that
That
one?
time
Oh, but that one is not here anymore.
it where?
I don't know. I think it was sold.
You saw it.
Yes.
Then Bob with the big. I mean the he got
Oh, that young he goat. Okay. Oh, the other goats are this side.
where?
Here, just behind this anthill. She seems to be enjoying. She's having fun chasing these animals around. Yeah. Okay. So I think when I have time, I'll show you who Patricia the cow is. Her namesake. You know, we've named all these animals names of family members. So the one with the bell is Patricia the cow. Let me get closer to her so that you see her. She's a big, fine cow. Yeah, she seems to be running away. Trisha, 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 Patricia, Trisha, chill, girl. Yeah, chill. Okay, okay, okay. Trisha, stop there. Yeah, this is Patricia. Come on, girl. Stop, girl. Stop. Yeah. Yeah, stop, girl. Hello, girl. Come on. Don't be upset. What? You don't want to be filmed? Okay. That's Patricia. Her namesake and her little sister. Not this cow, but the one who's dealing with the bunnies right now. Christy or Christeta. This is Christeta. Yeah, this is Christeta. That's how they go. And then, of course, there we go with them. Plenty of names. Do you know all the names of these animals, Patricia? You know them? One day you have to introduce them to us, eh? You have to introduce them to us one day. Right? Hello, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you've subscribed to our channel if you haven't done that already. And I hope that you've liked this video and many more. Thank you. Have a nice day.